Hi everybody, back here at EMD Automotive. I'm going to show you what we're doing today. We are replacing the fuel filter on the Cayenne GTS 2013 Mark III. They all have the same setup on the Cayennes, generation 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So the fuel filter is on this side here, on the left hand side rear. So the seat's got to come out, some of the carpets cut a little bit on the top. Here's the rear seats, had to be removed out, and the cushion for the rear seats removed as well. And very importantly, you got to have a fire extinguisher there, just in case something really happened. And you just it's for safety. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff to be removed, and the wiring harness got to be taken out as well. And you got to make sure you cover the car up properly, otherwise you scratch it. And when you take the fuel filter out, some of the petrol is gonna come out, so I'll just put some rags there to protect the car. All right. So after this, we're gonna start it up and then go for a quick road test. And then we'll go from there. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.